Hey everybody, Damn Fine Adventures here. I'm Sean. Well, I've got the coveralls on again, which means that me and Bodie here, we're gonna get some work done, and my lovely assistant, of course. Um, so, one of the things we have to do is that I noticed that when we're in here, these tires in the center, we have triple axles, 1, 2, 3 axles here. In the center here is that these guys here in the middle aren't wearing as quickly as the ones in the rear, which is where we are having, I feel, next issues. And the ones in the front, everything's wearing a little differently. I've asked, we had a flat one time, and they mentioned, oh no, you don't have to worry about changing, rotating tires or anything like that. So I was like, all right. And then I started to see where, so I'm gonna just change these guys here to, and then what I'm gonna do is kind of like you do on a typical radial changeover. Change this one to that, go diagonals, kind of like you would normally do on your car. So it's just a theory at this point. So we're gonna roll with it, and let's get her done. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up this tire here and put that one here, where the tire wear is a little bit more, is a lot better. So that we can get an even wear, so we can get the best mileage we can out of these tires. And these are just the tires that came with the rig, and this is a 2019 rig. The tires are dated. I looked on here, the tires are dated somewhere around 2017, 18. I think so. Anyways, without digging into it too deep. So they're about 2017 tires. So they're 5 years old already. So we've got, and we have about 30,000 miles on this, believe it or not. Which I'm really shocked at when we do the math on that. That I actually did the math, and I was like, wow, 30,000 miles. It's been that long since we've done anything. We've only had one tire that is that just went flat. It didn't blow out or anything. It just went flat. So we have that swapped out, and that's a new tire. But eventually we're gonna just get all 6 replaced. But we need to kind of step into the budget and try to extend a little bit of life out of these. These guys still have good. I can easily get, quite a bit out of that. So I feel that we can safely rotate these tires and get another 1,000 miles or 2 out of it. Get down to where we need to go and get some work done on it down there. All right. So here we are. We've gone ahead and we've jacked up this side, which would be the passenger side, okay? And you'll see that we have the blocks that normally you level your rig with. We're using those as jack stands. Well, the way I see it is that they're all strong enough to hold up the entire rig, weight distributed, of course. And they're gonna hold up this one little axle right here at a time. And so we're gonna go ahead and we got this all jacked up. We got the tire free, so we're gonna go ahead and take that tire off, and then we're gonna, after we jack up the other side, which is right over there, and that's what's going to swap out. All right, so that's that for now. That's good. Just want to move that there. That it matters at this point. She's up on jacks and everything, so. Worms. We got worms. We've been here too long. Growing worms, huh? creak going on. Yep, something on this jack. It's just right there. That works. Okay, I'll set this old mess up. Another one.
Hi, Bodie.
And that's all. Just gotta do is set her back down on the ground and all's good. Yep, always nice to hang out near the waste pipe. So, nothing's ever easy. Living full time in an RV, you always got to keep sure that everything is up and running. And something I noticed about this is a little project we got to worry about. Y'all been following us. You'll see that we had an issue here, so good side wind broke it off free. So we got a little work to do here, but nonetheless, hopefully we'll get another. See a couple thousand miles out of these guys right here, so we're good to go. And as always, remember to keep it simple.